Chapter 7 Struggles. "I've never been so scared in my life," said a girl sitting in the church basement. The sit-ins had been going on for about a week. Raw eggs dripped from her clothing. She had been at Woolworth's. So many people were outside the store shouting and calling us names. "Inside, people stood right behind us throwing things," said the other girl. "We're lucky it was just eggs." Abby recognized them from the meeting. Them each a cup of the coffee Mama had made. "Did you see John Marshall? Is he okay?" "Oh, I remember you. You're John's cousin. You were there the day Joan and I signed up." The girl extended her hand, and Abby shook it. "I'm Terry Dietz. John and I are good friends now. Sort of dating. Kinda." She smiled. "Don't worry, he's okay." When did John have time to date anybody? Abby thought. She liked Terry, and she liked that John liked her too. Oh, but Patsy might not be too happy about that. She had proposed to John when she was 3 years old. "Are you going to quit?" Abby asked Terry. "Never," Terry answered. "I'll be back tomorrow." All afternoon, Abby helped wherever she made signs for the demonstrators who marched outside the store. She also made one for Terry to put in her dorm window. On a big piece of cardboard, Abby wrote in red letters, "Save our nation. End segregation." A little later, more students came back. "You should have seen the crowd all around us," one said. "They called us awful names and told us to go back to Africa." The student shook his head. "Oh, I wanted to fight back. I'm afraid next time I will. I can't do this anymore." Soon John came downstairs, looking exhausted. He was still carrying a sign Abby had made. It said, "Justice for all Americans." There was egg all over it, too. "Hey, Pete," he said, hugging Abby. "We made it through another day." Then he flopped on one of the cots set up in the church basement. Within minutes, he was asleep. Every night, Abby watched the news on television. The protesters looked so tired. Abby wondered how long the sit-ins were going to last. She wrote Patsy again. "Dear Patsy, I can't believe it. Nashville is famous, all because of the protests. Mama says the whole world knows what's happening here. Do you see it on TV in Washington? The protesters sit in at lunch counters every day. They go to Cress's, Woolworth's, and Harvey's. Lots of angry people show up to yell at them, but they never fight back. John says if they fight back, then the other side wins. Some of the protesters have given up trying. I think John is very brave. Can't wait to see you. You are the bestest friend in the whole wide world. Abby. P.S. John is a team leader, and now I am captain of the Flyer Brigade. Hurry home so you can join us. P.P.S. John has a girlfriend. Her name is Terry, and she is really cute."